What is up, everybody? We are up at Bear Mountain State Park, taking a little POV cruise in my 1984 911 Targa. I've had it for a few months now. Picked it up from Arkansas, drove it back to New York, hit the tail of the Dragon on the way home, which is pretty cool. Quite a few turns in there. I'm excited to drive on this road coming up, because this thing is on rails and it is a blast to drive. So yeah, we'll take you along for the ride. It's got 90,000 miles on it at this point. I've put about 4,000 on it since I got it, so I'm driving it way more than some other cars that I've had, which is why you buy them, right? So let's go along for the ride up in Bear Mountain, and we'll go for a little cruise. Let's go. Air cooled 3.2 liter. Got the 915 transmission here. I am tempted to sell this thing because I love it so much that I want a 964. So
Bluetooth connected.
We'll see, but in the meantime we're gonna enjoy this thing because it is a blast to drive. Now let's go. No power steering, of course. Woo! You have to finesse this gearbox a bit. There's really no such thing as slamming through gears in these old Porsches. 1984, I mean, almost 40 years old, so going for a little cruise here. Take it easy, but maybe we'll hit some corners. Hit some corners a little hard up here, which I really actually couldn't break the tires loose on this thing if I wanted to. It is on rails. Tail of the Dragon was just a blast in this one. I mean, these roads are pretty similar. Whoa, another 911 there passing a bike. Okay. I think third gear here will be the sweet spot for this road. Only about 215 horsepower. I think I want to get a chip and a full exhaust for this thing, and I think it'll wake it up a little bit. So the previous owner, big Porsche guy, he did about 25 grand worth of work into this thing before I bought it. Pulled the motor, all of the maintenance that you really want done to these before you purchase them. I think one extra thing I would do is get maybe a Wevo shifter. I don't really like the look of this, but it's okay for now. And maybe some Recaro seats. I do love these seats, but I want to preserve them as much as I can. So, alright, maybe we'll pick up the pace a little bit here. Another 911. Hello. bucket Recaro seats would really help me, because this thing is on rails and I gotta push myself into the bolsters. The kind of roads that this car was meant for. Some potholes there, typical New York. Boxster-esque brakes on it, actually, which definitely help in these old cars. So, haven't done a track day yet. I think I will, though, because it is just too much fun. Alrighty, 3.2 liter 911 Bear Mountain Run. Let's go. Woo! My first Porsche, and some advice that I've got from other fellow Porsche owners is keep it revved, and it's exactly what we'll do here. Red line. That's okay for a 40-year-old car with 90,000 miles on it, right? Just pushing myself into my seat so I can hang on. It is on rails, this thing. I could use some more power though, because I'm either mashing on the gas or I'm letting off. You could hop in a car that's similar to a go-kart as you can get. I think that this would be it. Woo. If only it was a turbo though, right? Stretch some legs here. Woo! It is just on rails. It is so much fun to drive. And not the fastest thing, but it's not about how quick it is. It's about the whole experience. So, this section. Got some Bilsteins on this, some wider Fuchs, and the Toyo Proxies are really helping the grip here. It's about 50 degrees on a chilly New York fall day, but I think our tires are pretty warm at this point. Toyo Proxies are kind of semi-slick, so we're doing pretty well. Alright guys, that was the end of our run. It was fun. It was quick and it was fun. Ew. Thanks for coming along. Ready.